Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Awesome Ashish. So today we are back with another unboxing video. So today I'm going to unbox M2 Machines car, which is right here. These are the two M2 machines I have right now. I think I will be unboxing this one today. So let's just check. Let's remove it from here. Okay, so we got the car. This is the one I'm going to unbox. I have this from quite some time and I'm really excited about this. So let's start. Okay, so this is the box. We got that out, and here's our first look of the car. Just look at that. It does look really cool. It has openable doors and everything. So it has screws in it. So let's just unbox that. Let me just remove it. So I have removed the screws, as you can see. So this is 1968 Plymouth Barracuda HEMI Super Stock, and there were two screws on it, so we'll just keep it side. And this is our first look. This is looking really cool. Let me just check from the bottom if it has anything. Okay, it has metal base, which is really good. You know, even on Hot Wheels Premium they have metal chassis, so this is good. And it says the name of car, 1968 Plymouth Barracuda, and it says it was made in China and it was made in 2013, I believe. Okay, so let's just check from the sides. It says Plymouth and Mallory over here. The stripes are really good. The rubber wheels says Goodyear. Front wheels are more free roll. Yeah, this one is more free rolling. This is a bit like this. Okay. At back you can see the detailing over here. Does look good. In the front we have the engine. Let's just remove it and check. You can see the engine over there. Has good detailing. You can see it says HEMI and Plymouth over here. These are some detailings are really good. I mean, the front lights are good. These one back tail lights are good as well, and it has openable door. Just try to open it. It's a bit tight, I believe. Yeah. Okay. Let's try to. Okay, that is good. Doors are good as well. Now let's see about hood. Okay, if you see over like this, it looks good. And the detailing over here, all in all, it's really good. I mean, I got this for I think almost 4,000. According to that, detailings are really good. Okay, so these are everything about the car. And you know, when you check it from here, let's just check the interiors. You can see it has really good details inside as well. No, it's not just outside, the inside details are really good. check this out. Yeah, so I would say this is really good casting, and this is my first M2 machines and I really like it. Yeah, rolls as good as well. You can keep it like this as well, you know, on your desk. Or you can also screw it and keep it side as well. You can keep it like this, it's good. Or you can just, you know, remove it from here, keep it separate as well. So it does look really good. Okay, so this was all for this video, so make sure you like, subscribe and comment, and I'll bring some more videos. Bye bye.